Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful wig making tutorial for you guys. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful carved low cut wig using multi from Expression. So guys, the wig cap I used for this wig making is dome cap, and all you need to do is just for you to add net at the front of the cap, then you sew out your side parts. So this is going to be a side part. So the next thing I will do is to use my concealer and a sharp brush to line the cap. This is to show exactly what I want to do with this wig. So I'm so sorry that you can't see what I'm marking very well. I know that most of you will be asking what is the essence of the net at the front of this cap. The reason why I added this net at the front is because I wouldn't want to cut the cap directly. I want all the cuts to be on the net, because you know that when you cut the cap it's going to be a mess. So in order to avoid that, just all the cut is going to be on the net. So the hair I'll be using is multi from Expression, and the color is 350. The next thing to do is to start sewing, and make sure you are using a matching thread. But in a situation whereby you cannot find a matching thread, you can use black, but make sure that the black is not visible at all. So just insert your needle and thread under the hair and sew it. Make sure you sew it very tight so that it won't have any issue of pulling out later. So you keep sewing. Before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so right now, and remember to turn on the notification bell, because that is the only way you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Please join the family. God bless you. So continue sewing. As you can see on the screen here, when you reach to the extreme end, you turn and keep on sewing till you get to the front of the cap.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted.
So guys, when you get to the front of the wig, instead of going the normal way that you started, you are going to go in a circular motion. Yes, leaving the parts behind. Remember, you have a part by the side. You are not going to close it, and make sure when you get to the front that you are sewing on the net. This time around, the front is going to be popping out, as you can see on the screen, and make sure the sewing is on the net. Going in circular motion, you will continue doing that until the center of the wig finishes.
You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth.
So guys, when you are done with the sewing, the next thing is to crochet the parts. Crochet both sides of the parts, making sure that your line is very straight. Then after that, we are going to go ahead and trim this hair. Before we start trimming the hair, we are going to use our hand first to pick the hair, as in to unravel these coils to give it another pattern of coils. So after that, then the trimming comes in.
You and I, lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted.
So guys, it's time to trim our hair. In this stage, you have to be very careful, because if care is not taken, you either destroy the work you just did or you make it more beautiful. So you saw me draw a line at the very beginning of this wig. That is the exact line I followed to make this wig. So in trimming the hair, I'm going to as well follow the same pattern to give the shape I want in this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and trim off all the excesses at the very top of the wig. After that, then we come to the front of the wig and follow the pattern which I drew earlier.
You and I, lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling.
So guys, coming to the front of the wig, you have to follow the line you drew earlier in order to get the shape of this wig. You have to be careful in trimming the front. After that, just go ahead and trim off the nets at the front and the wig is ready. So guys, if you find this video very interesting, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share this video with others that are interested in knowing how to make this wig so that they can learn as well. So guys, this wig, I'm not going to be wearing it. I'm so sorry for that. It's a client's wig, so I wouldn't want to I wouldn't want to do what my clients won't like. So guys, sorry for that. I have my first video on this wig, so I will be linking it up in the description box. If you haven't seen me wear this, just check that particular video out to see the look on me. Thank you guys for all your support. I appreciate and love you more. Bye.
You and I, lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming now, but we're missing 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, yeah, all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind and down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling. Oh, I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under